Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the house of Madam Cherry because she said she gonna cook. So we are up again in the house of Auntie Cherry. We're gonna check. What is this? Remove your shoes. Ba't nandito to? Ba't nandito ka? So Cleo is in the house today. Here is Cleo. I tried to do it, the one we are doing to Papi and to get scared. Poor Cleo. So she's cooking.
Yes.
Ano yan, Ante?
Ano?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
With breadcrumbs. Oh.
Ayan yung favorite mo. Oh. Iniba ko na yan.
Sana all, kung iniba. Sige.
Mayroong ano, with no eggplant.
Yan, inshallah. Oh, this is Auntie if she cook. How sexy is it? Oh, naka-aura?
Naka-aura, of course.
We do karaoke with Auntie Mayang, with this dog also. Oh, Madam gonna sing always. Ano man yan, Auntie? Always. Ay.
Ay, do it, Auntie.
Hindi ko man alam.
Ikaw yung lalaki.
Hindi ko man alam. Ano man yung kanta?
Love like yours is swaying. It must have been sent from up above. I didn't know you stay this way for always.
Ay, taray. While doing karaoke, we have chicken. Okay, this is Madam Cherry's argile. Show it, Auntie. Look at this. Like. Oh, Barbie.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
He wants to play. He wants the toy. What? Where is your toy now, Cleo? Until you can remove it. You're not outside.
Uy, Auntie, hindi ko maganda ko rin. Nakakasilaw kasi sa Auntie Cherry.
Maganda pa rin, Auntie. Oh, may donuts ka, Auntie. Oh. So this is the malobi of Auntie. No eggplant. This is the one with eggplant. This one, salad, yogurt.
Bakit iba?
Why you look at me?
Abel is saying, what the fuck?
Oh, this is the one they are serving if you're bagong panganak daw, Auntie. So bagong panganak ka. Si Auntie,
Sige, kunwari.
bakit kay Auntie parang ubus na?
O, ganyan ang itsura.
Buksan mo nga yung akin kung
Ba't wala
ganyan.
ang kutsara? Wala. Ayan na. Kinain na. Wala.
So we don't like this one because Bill said that I think she's poisoning us with this. So she gave us karakti again. I don't know the taste, but let's try.
Yan, kasi sabi ng huwag daw damihan ng asukal.
Ang init, Auntie!
Ah, init ba?
Oh my God. Bye, Auntie.
Bye.
Madam Mayang just left because she need to go work. So while Bill is still sleeping, we are watching this movie, Moana. Ante?
Crab.
What is it? Should be.
Great.
Huh? Ano daw, Ante?
But she is a creep.
Crab.
Creep.
One eternity later.
Finally, the product is done. So here is it. She done also her plating. Blame Cleo, poor thing. No internet, Madam blaming Cleo. Cleo just arrived here for 2 days and it's his fault now. No internet. Look at this. No internet. Waiting connection. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
So Bill said that rich people have internet and poor people don't have internet because they are poor.
I see you don't have internet.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
Poor thing.
It's getting late and Madam Cherry don't have internet anymore and time for us also to go home. And again, thank you for watching and hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!